If you think that you need milk only to make curd, then you have to watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you that with only oats, how you can make curd at home, which is vegan and it tastes really good. So what I've done is, after you can take instant oats or regular oats of your choice, rolled oats, just soak it in water for an hour, and once that is done, we are going to be adding everything in a blender. Now you blend it really well till it becomes, all the oats are just grinded really well. So keep doing that. Then after that, either you can take a strainer, a muslin cloth. I prefer a muslin cloth, and then you pour this entire liquid into it. So if you see that all the fiber from the oats will come out, so that's what if we need. If you're fine with the fiber, you can add it in your curd, but squeeze it out so as much as milk is removed. And this is how we make oats milk. So you can use the milk also for your daily tea, coffee, or else you can even use it for baking. Either you can leave the milk as it is, but I'll show you how you can make a curd out of it. So once this is done and the fiber is removed out really well, you can see my oats milk is ready. Then after that, I'm going to just put it on gas and on medium flame, that's fine. Keep mixing it, but make sure that you're using a spoon or a whisk and you keep whisking it, because now this has to reduce in size. So here I'm going to be showing you oats curd recipe, but if you want me to show you any other recipe, do mention in the comment section, so that I can show you that with chickpeas, with peanuts, how you can make vegan curd. So it's very simple to make. So if you see, I keep mixing it till it become thick, and then I squeeze in little lemon. You don't want to squeeze in lemon, you can just add a chili. So what you can do is keep mixing it till it becomes thick. You pour your curd in a bowl and add chili on top of it. For lemon, just mix it while you're setting it. Now for 1 to 2 days, keep it in warm place. So you have to see that within 1 day also it will set, but just make sure it's in kept in warm place. And here you go, your oats curd is ready. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe it.